Red Group. This video is showing you how to share using the part-whole model. Okay, we have two videos today about the part-whole, and this video is for Red Group. Okay, so I want you to get your home learning pack out, and if it's got all red writing on the front, that means you're watching the right video. Okay, if it's blue, you need to go to the blue group video. So, are we ready, Red Group? So what you need to do in your home learning packs, you need to find the pages with the cauliflowers on, okay? And the cauliflowers are in our part-whole model, okay? So pause the video while you go find your learning packs and you're looking at these pages. Have you got them? Well done. So I'm going to explain how we do the part-whole model, because I think some of you are struggling a little bit at home and we want to make sure you can all share. Okay, so first it tells us what we're going to do. So it says that we're sharing 10 using the part-whole model. Okay, and the first question is, can you count how many cauliflowers there are in the whole? Okay, so we're going to do that bit together now. So you can look at mine or you can look at yours at home. Okay, ready to count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there are 10 cauliflowers in the whole. That's all that it's asking us to do on that page. Okay, on the next page it's asking us to share the cauliflowers. Okay, so here I have shared the cauliflowers. I have put the number 10 in the whole to remind us how many cauliflowers were in the whole. Okay, and I have shared the cauliflowers into the two parts. So then it asks us, count how many cauliflowers are in each part. Okay, so this is what your pack's asking you to do. So now you have to count the cauliflowers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 cauliflowers in this part. Now we're going to count the other part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, they have the same amount, the same number. So there are 5 cauliflowers in this part and 5 cauliflowers in this part. And there are 10 altogether. Okay, so in your packs, all you have to do on these 2 sheets is just count. You don't need to do any writing here. Don't need to do any writing on here. You're just counting, okay? And if your grown-ups are not too busy, they could maybe video you doing your counting, okay? But the next task, it's your turn, okay? So I'm just going to take these off so we don't get confused, because the next page in your book is this one, okay? But yours won't have any counters on, yours will be empty, okay? Because it's your job to fill it with counters or cubes, okay? So I want you to pause the video now, go get your 10 cubes or buttons out of your pack, or go find 10 small things from home, okay? So go do that and then come back. Did you get them? Did you get 10? Okay. So this is the page you need now, the blank one, and you need to put your 10 things in the hole, okay? So as I count mine, you can move yours into the hole and you can count along with me. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Don't try and put yours like this though. Make sure it's flat on a table or on the floor. Okay, because I think they'll fall off. I've used some blue tack just to stick mine so I can show you what to do. So now, at home, you've got your 10 things in here. I wonder what you found. Now you're going to share them. That's what it's asking you to do. You've got to share them. Remember, when you share, the hole has to be empty. Okay, so I'm going to show you one way how to share them, okay? And I want you to do all the ways of sharing 10. There are lots of ways, okay? So I'm going to share them into the parts. It's a bit tricky. You can share yours at home, or you can watch me do it now, and then you can do it after. It's up to you. You decide. Oh, that's a busy part. Let's put some down here. Okay, so I know I have shared them correctly because my hole is empty now, okay? So you need to make sure that it's empty. I'm going to count how many are in each part because that's asking me. That's what it's asking me to do, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 in this part. Let's count the bottom. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 in this part. Okay, so 7 and 3 equals 10. 10 altogether. Okay, let's do it on our fingers. So we've got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 3 in the other part. 1, 2, 3. We have 10 altogether. Remember on our other video when we said all our fingers and our thumbs make 10. Okay, so now your job, Red Group, is just to share them. Okay, so move them all back to the hole and share them a different way. If you want to, you can write the numbers at the side. So you might write 7 and you might write 3, just to remind you that you've already done that way so you don't do it again. Okay, and that's all that Red Group need to do, and have lots of fun. But don't forget to ask a grown-up to take a photo or a video and send it to us. If you can't send things to us, that's fine. In your packs that look like this, you can do your sharing, and you might write the numbers or you might draw around the objects. Okay, see what fun you can have. Hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.